Hello, welcome to my Sunday From. Today I'm making Tex-Mex chili. So like for ingredients, I have tomato sauce, I have a can of Rotel. This is tomato with lime juice and cilantro. I have dark red kidney beans. I have a can of chili. This is chili with beans. If you want, you can use chili without beans. These are good because like they're already soaked in with the meat and they're little. And then for spices, I have Mexican fiesta spices and minced onion. I have this bone broth. It's chicken broth. It's just chicken stock, carrots, cabbage, celery, onions, salt, tomato paste, parsley, and thyme. So it says it's bone broth made from chicken. So this is really good for you. This is 8 grams of protein. So this is what I'm using. So the first thing I want to put in is the beans. So I'm gonna open this can of beans. A lot of people like to use like 3 types of beans in theirs. That's like what I find like most commonly done. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the whole can of beans. Just put it in there like that. And I'm gonna put in the onions. Put in as much onions as you like. And then I'm gonna put in these tomatoes. And I'm gonna boil everything down. And so it makes like a thick sauce. So I'm gonna put this in just like that. And season it with this Mexican seasoning. I'm gonna stir it. And if you want, you can cover it. It'll probably cook faster. Just give it a good stir. You see this is just the beans so far. Just gonna get these beans softened and give them some flavor, as well as the tomatoes. Let them cook down. So I'll give that a stir. I'm gonna cover it. And we'll be back. Okay, so this is already boiled up. I will show you. Can you see? This is already boiled up. Just give it a mix. And then you see how they're all soft? And then we'll add the can of chili. Just like that. Try to get the rest out. And then Mix that really well. Then we'll add this can of tomato sauce. And I'm gonna use this to make 1 cup of the bone broth. This is broth. So in goes 1 cup of broth. So mix that up real good. So this is chicken broth I'm using. And I'm gonna cover this. And then I'm gonna boil it until it thickens up. Okay guys, I'm ready. Taste it. And give it a quick mix. And then we'll get a nice bowl here. You can make it as thick as you want it, or as thick as you want it. Just control how much water and broth you put in yours. And, you know, then you'll have a more meatier salt, more meatier chili, or heartier chili. I like mine like this. And let's give it a taste. That's it. I haven't had this in a long time, but it's wonderful for the season coming. So I hope you give it a try. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. My son de Frump. Bye-bye.